Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best makeup setting sprays that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Pure Bliss Makeup Setting Spray. If you have dry skin that is prone to flaking and breaking your foundation, try using the Pure Bliss Makeup Setting Spray. Designed specifically for deep hydration, this product will make your skin look flawless. The composition of this setting spray is enriched with an organic green tea extract. Known for its moisturizing properties, this component soothes your skin and makes it stay hydrated. The extract is also a decent antioxidant and prevents the appearance of red spots. So even if you wear a lightweight foundation or BB cream, your complexion will still stay pretty even. Apart from dry skin, you can use this product on a sensitive one. The green tea extract, combined with DMAE and MSM, not only moisturizes, but also soothes your skin. The composition is free of harsh chemicals, parabens, and artificial fragrances. Hence, it won't cause any irritations or allergies. The fixing spray comes in a bottle with 4 ounces. If you really enjoy this product, you can purchase a pack of 2 at once. Also, this finishing spray is vegan and cruelty-free. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Milani Setting Spray. Professional makeup products from Milani are very popular among customers since they are long-lasting and provide beautiful results. The Make It Dewy Setting Spray is also a solid product that has the best price-quality ratio in our opinion. The best thing about this setting spray is that it offers 3 solutions in one product: hydration, illumination, and setting. If you apply it before you start your makeup routine, it will act as the moisturizer and will keep the perfect water balance in your skin for the whole day. When applied over the finished makeup, it locks everything in place and prevents melting and smudging. Hence, if your skin lacks natural shine or you want to achieve that popular dewy look, this product will be a great option for you. This spray comes in a small 2.03 ounces bottle that will fit in your bag or clutch. Thanks to this, you will be able to always carry the spray around with you and add more when you feel that your makeup starts fading. The bottle comes with a dispenser that allows spraying the product evenly all over your face. At number 3, we have the NYX Professional Makeup Setting Spray. The NYX Professional Makeup Setting Spray is your key to a perfect makeup if you have oily skin or combination skin type with an oily T-zone. This product will ensure all your makeup stays the way you applied it from the morning till the evening. To begin with, this finishing spray is very effective when it comes to eliminating unwanted shine. Yet, it has a very light texture and doesn't feel like a heavy mask. When applied over the foundation, it gives it a perfect matte finish and makes it stay for the whole day. It also can be applied to all kinds of makeup, including eyeshadows. Just close your eyes to prevent the spray from getting in them. This fixing spray is available in a compact 2.03 ounces pack with a dispenser. The product has a vegan composition and doesn't include harsh chemicals. However, there are some elements that may not suit people with sensitive skin. At number 2, we have the Rimmel London Stay Setting Spray. Those who seek an affordable setting spray to keep their makeup solid during any weather should take a closer look at this product. The Rimmel Stay Matte is a drugstore product that still works really well and doesn't really trail behind its more expensive rivals. The first thing we want to mention is that this 2-in-1 product can work not only as a setting spray but as a primer as well. Apply it on bare skin and leave it on for 5 minutes until it blends nicely into the skin. Then, you can apply a foundation or a BB cream of your choice. If you spray on the face after finishing your makeup, it gives your skin a nice matte look. Hence, it is a good choice for oily skin. What also makes this product great for people with this skin type is that it is free of oils. Next, we really like the formula of this spray. It is completely transparent and doesn't change the color of your complexion. Plus, it is lightweight, so even if you reapply it a few times, the product still won't feel heavy on your face. And finally, at number 1, we have the Urban Decay All-Nighter Waterproof Makeup Setting Spray. Urban Decay is a popular makeup brand that is widely used by professionals. The All-Nighter Setting Spray is also a high-quality product that will leave you with professional results. This product provides the most lasting results compared to its counterparts. With it, your makeup will stay on perfectly for about 16 hours. It features the temperature control technology, so no matter what environment you are at, no oily or greasy spots will appear on your face. When it is not especially hot or raining outside, spray it 3 times all over your face, holding the bottle around 8 inches far from your face. The other plus of the spray is that it doesn't change the appearance of your makeup and leaves no shine or matte finish. In addition to this, it prevents your makeup from transferring on the clothes. This setting spray comes in a bottle with 4 ounces. It is free of oils and parabens and is also cruelty-free. Some users say that it has a chemical smell, but it disappears shortly after application. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.